Before the devil became Satan, he was an angel. In Ezekiel chapter 28 verse 15, it says he was perfect until iniquity was found in him. What is this iniquity? In Ezekiel chapter 28 verse 17, it says your heart became proud on account of your beauty, and you corrupted your wisdom because of your splendor. Lucifer became so impressed with his own beauty, intelligence, power, and position that he began to desire for himself the honor and the glory that belonged to God alone. The sin that corrupted Lucifer was self-generated pride. Proverbs 29:23 says, a man's pride will bring him low, but a humble spirit will obtain honor. James 4:10 says, humble yourselves before the Lord, and he will lift you up in honor.